You're surprised, I'm sure. I'll have to explain it all to you later. For now, let's see how much power you have. Ah! Yeah, come at me anytime. Oh, looks like...
Do my eyes deceive me? You have left a height.
You were chosen. Chosen by Shinron. Sorry for attacking you, by the way. I'll introduce myself. I'm Trunks, and I'm currently on a mission. As you can see, this place, it's not the world you're familiar with. This is the Toki Toki world, where the flow of time gathers. You can call us the Time Patrol. When history goes off course, a false timeline is created. We work to correct any of these changes to history. As Time Patrol members, we'll fight all throughout time. Sometimes, we deal with legendary fighters or dangerous forces. What you think? Would you like to test your power here? See how effective it is? Oh, right. I should probably explain a few things first. Look around. In this space, there are many other Time Patrol members. If you'd like, go ahead and talk to them. I'll hear your answer after you've had the chance. We call this the Time Nest. The Supreme Kai of Time lives here and manages this entire place. We also have the Time Vault. It has many important texts. There's something I need you to take care of. Not a big deal, so let's head over to the Time Vault. This is the Scroll of Eternity. All of time, all of history. Everything. It's all listed in here. But... here, just take a look at this.
Special Beam Cannon!
What? As you can see, if history is in any way altered or distorted, it could change the world as we know it. We have no choice. We have to stop it. We can't let history change. Right now, Goku is in trouble and needs help. Please.
This is your last chance. Come on, join your family, Kakarot. Ha! Look, I'll do you a favor and spare you both.
Shut up! There is no way I'd ever join you!
Then, playtime is over.
What?
Leave my daddy alone!
You brat! Stop! What?
Someone you know, Goku?
No. But... I'm pretty sure it's someone we can trust.
No matter how much trash there is, it's still trash!
Hey, can I get your help?
Don't be a clown.
Can you hear me? Okay, good. Now, I'll be backing you up to the time test.
Do my eyes deceive?
What? What are you doing? Now, Piccolo, do it! Special beam cannon! Damn it! Serves you right. What was that? Where did...
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. You corrected the timeline. Good job. And with no... All right. Once we have the Supreme Kai of Time put it in a scroll, it'll all be done. Oh, you don't have to worry about Goku. It's fine. He'll be revived with the Dragon Balls. Oh, yeah. And, well, that scroll isn't the only one with a history change. Just talk to me whenever you're ready. Take your